Okay, welcome back friends. I am Dr. Karim Raza. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about blood-brain barrier. What is this barrier basically? This is a barrier, which is protecting your central nervous system. It's protecting your CSF from the toxins, viruses, pathogens, bacteria, and then, dangerous chemicals or dangerous proteins, basically to reach to your central nervous system and to your CSF. So what are the structures which help in formation of the blood-brain barrier? So it's made up of basically, four structures. So there are four structures help in formation of this barrier. So what are those structures? Number one, you have got astrocytes. You have got astrocytes, which are most abundant cells, glial cells of the central nervous system. Astrocytes food processes. You have got astrocyte food processes. Then you have got pericytes. You have got pericytes. Then you have got, tight junctions of capillary endothelial cells. Tight junctions of capillary endothelial cells. So this is the most important layer. You have to understand this tight junction of capillary endothelial cells. This is the most important part of the blood-brain barrier. If asked in the exam that what is the most important, structure of the layer of the blood-brain barrier, this is the tight junction of the capillary endothelial cells. So then number 4, you have got basement membrane. So in this way, these four structures help in the formation of this barrier, which is protecting your central nervous system, CSF, from the toxins and from dangerous chemicals. But what are the substances those can easily pass through the blood-brain barrier? So substances like glucose plus amino acids, these substances, they can pass this blood-brain barrier and reach to your central nervous system by carrier mediated transport. They usually pass slowly, so slowly through carriers, through carrier mediated transport, so it's mean glucose and amino acid, they do need carrier, those carriers which help in transportation of these minerals to central nervous system, whether this is glucose or amino acid, by slow mechanism. But what are the substances those cross the blood-brain barrier without any carrier, without any permission? Those are the lipid soluble substances like oxygen and carbon dioxide. So it's mean oxygen and carbon dioxide, oxygen plus carbon dioxide can cross your blood-brain barrier without any permission. Why? Because oxygen and carbon dioxide, it can easily diffuse, and by diffusion, these are lipid soluble substances, they can cross the blood-brain barrier and then they can reach to your CNS, central nervous system. Another important information here you have to note that some drugs like ethanol or alcohol, nicotine, heroin, or other lipid soluble drugs substances, they can also easily diffuse the blood-brain barrier and can reach to your central nervous system, and they may lead to addiction. That's why if anyone is consuming alcohol, nicotine, or these drugs, it's mean these drugs are lipid soluble substances and they will easily diffuse the blood-brain barrier and can reach to central nervous system, can lead to lot of complications and addiction as well. So you have to watch this lecture. Please prepare notes and I will see you in next lecture. Thank you.